What is up, Fabrication Nation? I'm back. Man, it is good to see y'all. It's been a while. It's been a long while. So, where have I been? Well, if you've been watching the channel, you probably know the last video I did was the smoker. Great build. Really enjoyed that. Been using the crap out of that thing. Works awesome. I decided that I need to take a little break. I've been doing this a long time, been since 2010, so 15 years. I was like, man, I'll take a little break. I'll just, hang out, do some projects off camera that I wanted to do. Well, a little break turned into a long break. A lot longer than I thought. I kind of needed it, and I actually got a lot of projects done that I wanted to kind of do for myself, well, and for friends. So I built an entire turbo setup for a buddy of mine. Single turbo setup, turned out really nice. I actually filmed a little bit of it. I was gonna make a video and then kind of got carried away building and didn't film. And so I was like, I'll just finish this project and whatever. I also took on a tank smoker project for a friend of mine. So I'd kind of alluded to it in maybe, I think the last smoker video. I'd bought a couple tanks, propane tanks. I bought two for myself, 500 gallon and a 330 gallon tank. Both of those are gonna be for my tank smoker that I'll build one day. The other 330 I bought was for a buddy of mine who was gonna have somebody else build it, ended up bringing it back to me, and I was like, you know what, I'll kinda wet my feet on this thing, figure out how to do this, what I like, what I don't like. And so I did that, built that thing in a couple weeks probably, turned out fantastic. Let's see, what else have I been into? Other than a bunch of little odds and end projects that I've kind of taken on in the shop for people or friends, family, whatever, I stripped the Bibster completely down. It needed some TLC. I think it was getting dirty. Had some rust popping through. I had Amp EFI reach out to me and say, hey, we're going to Foxtoberfest. We'd love to have the car there. Can you bring it? So I was like, you know what? This will kind of push me to clean this thing up. Stripped it completely down. Re-cleared most of it, well, everything except for the outside, because I'm not done with the outside. I want to kind of wait till I get that done before I clear it, but looking much better. So not sure if you can tell, but everything's been cleaned up, cleared, and really what I got to was on the inside of this thing. So everything but the seats, floors, all the aluminum panels in this thing have been nicely cleared. Dash is all cleared. I made a glove box to kind of show off the Amp EFI Evo Pro, MS3 Pro Evo, I guess. Got some new equipment, got rid of some old equipment. Some You Need This tool videos coming. Gonna show you what I got. Just trying to revamp a little bit, trying to get resituated, back in the groove, if you will. And as you can see, I've moved the COVID coupe back out on the floor. Hope to get started back on that thing like now. Really kind of want to get this thing at least on the ground, start working on the motor setup for it. Got a bunch of ideas I want to do for this car. Some of Foxtoberfest got me fired up to get this thing going so I can get out and kick around in it a little bit. So yeah, went to PRI this year, which also kind of got me reinvigorated on this thing. Talked to a bunch of companies. Hopefully we can put some of their parts in this car. Anyway, as always, I appreciate you guys following, watching. Happy New Year. And let's see if I can get out some videos this year.